The Bentonite Hills in central Utah will have you feeling like you're on another planet. This is near Hanksville, Utah. So we left from Hanksville, got in our truck, and it's about a 29-minute drive to get to the Cathedral Valley OHV trailhead. From this trailhead, then you're going to go 8.5 miles on a dirt road, and that'll take you up to the Bentonite Hills. So this is the first entrance to the Cathedral Valley OHV trailhead. A boulder had fallen and was blocking that main road. It was nice that there was another entrance. We went to the second entrance. This is a flat dirt road, and we took this over to the Cathedral Valley OHV trailhead. So this took us to the river crossing. We're excited about this. You definitely want to have a high clearance vehicle to do this in four-wheel drive. After doing the river crossing, we followed the dirt road. It snakes around and goes into a much drier landscape, and there's some amazing views along the way. We stopped at this overlook to take in these amazing views. You'll know you're on the right way when you cross the cattle guard crossing. This is where you'll start to enter some terrain that you definitely want a high clearance vehicle. We stopped along the way as we saw this abandoned truck pulling this really interesting trailer. After checking that out, we got back on the road and headed up to the Bentonite Hills. As you're going up, you'll see this large rock where there's a pull-off, and you can park there and explore all over these hills. So going to the Bentonite Hills was absolutely amazing. It's a bit of an adventure to get there, but it's definitely worth it.